got flames on either side of the freeway, and cars are still going up, going through. Stupid cars.
Well, they don't know. They can't.
Yeah, but they can see smoke on both sides of the freeway. What do you mean they don't know?
Oh, it's like an inferno down there.
They could fall through and go right through the
Maybe
freeway.
they're evacuating to get that.
Yeah, but they wouldn't evacuate them through the fire. Whoa!
And cars are still passing through it. That is a 5 freeway.
That's a major freeway in LA.
Channel 4 helicopter.
What channel?
4, it says 4 on it.
Channel 4?
It could be something else. It could be a helicopter. I don't know.
Well, that was the only helicopter we saw.
I hear more fire trucks, sirens.
That one's getting bigger.
You better not be spreading up there.
It's not going to spread up here.
Oh my gosh, look at that. They race very quickly. Should we wait?
Well, now I don't see any cars going through anymore. But I see people out of their cars over here taking pictures.